Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel The Crazy World. In today's life, we can see how important the oxygen is, whether it is artificial or normal to survive in this time. So, here is the list of our top 5 plants for increasing the oxygen indoor as well as outdoor. This plant not only release oxygen day and night but also absorb toxic gases like formaldehyde, benzene and other. Scientifically, this happens through carcinogenous acid metabolism, also known as CAM. Type of photosynthesis can produce oxygen in night as well as in day. Normally, the oxygen to be released, there has to be photosynthesis which occur only in the presence of light, whether it is natural or indoor light. So let's begin with our list. In our list, the first plant is Areca palm. According to NASA Clean Air Studies, Areca palm can help in reduction of indoor pollution by breaking down the compounds such as acetone, xylene, formaldehyde. The plant with more surface area of leaf can produce more oxygen, and Areca palm is one of such plants. 2 areca palm in 100 square feet can increase the oxygen level indoor. It also reduces the anxiety by 37%, depression by 58%, and fatigue by 38%. And it also increases the productivity and positivity. There is only one requirement to this plant, and that is it only requires the bright indirect light. For one person, there is 3 to 4 plants are required. And the second plant in our list is money plant. Everyone's home is filled with the toxic and dangerous radiation released by television, computer, Wi-Fi, mobile, etc., which can lead to serious illness. Keeping money plant near this can reduce the effect of the radiation. Money plant is also known for its ability to remove the chemicals and the pollutants from the air, especially benzene, formaldehyde, xylene, etc. The money plant prefers indirect light and need to be watered every week. For one person, 3 plants of 18 inches plants are required. The next entry in our list is Gerbera daisy. It is the prettiest entry on the list. The Gerbera daisy is often used as a decorative element in gardening. However, it is also distinct for its ability to produce high level of oxygen at night while removing the harmful chemicals such as benzene and trichloroethylene. It is beneficial for those who are suffering from sleep apnea and breathing disorder. Keep this one on the nightstand for better sleep. It prefers bright sunlight during summer, spring, and fall, and indirect sunlight during the winter. And the fourth plant in our list is snake plant, also known as mother-in-law tongue plant, considered highly effective in oxygen production at day as well as in night. It has ability to purify through removal of benzene, formaldehyde and xylene. The snake plant does well in the window light and need watered weekly. For one person, 6 to 8 waste level plants are recommended. These plants are capable of producing enough oxygen to breathe normally. And the last plant in our list is Chinese evergreen. It is most common household plant for a good reason. This plant emits the high level of oxygen while purifying indoor space of harmful chemicals such as benzene, formaldehyde, etc. This plant do well in full shade only and watered up